You accidentally archived an Instagram story you want back. Don't worry, here's how to unarchive your Instagram story and get it live again. First, open the Instagram app and tap on profile picture. Next, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right. A menu will pop up, select archive. You'll now see all of your archive stories. Find the story you want to unarchive and tap on it. Look for the 3 dots in the bottom right corner of the story and tap them. A new menu will appear. Select Reshare Archive Story. Finally, tap your story icon in the bottom left corner and your story will be unarchived and live again. This is a quick and easy way to get your favorite memories back on your story. Stop. Ever realize you can't see popular songs to use with your story on Instagram? Check out our full guide in this video to show you how to fix it.